So we got a call for an Audi that's up at the white trailhead on Gooseberry Mesa, and we're headed up there in blue steel with the trailer because it's disabled. We're not going to be able to tow it or pull it out with the Jeep. It's got one of the CV axles is broken apparently. So we're going to try to head in there and see if we can get it with the trailer and get it down to the repair shop. It should be fun because it's just wet and muddy. We might have to call Eric to bring the Jeep out, pull us out. We'll see what it's like when we get up there. We've got Ryan with us today.
Yep, I have no details, but we're gonna go get it done.
Is that it?
That's an Audi Allroad. Is that what we're getting?
That's what we're getting.
That's it. Just gotta double check.
Shut the alarm off on it now or pop the trunk.
So yeah, they
drive it all?
They drug it here with a Jeep, they said.
Where was it at? On the road?
Oh, it's got a nice tow hook on the front. This is already looking so much better than I thought that it might. Okay, Ryan, you stay clean because you're going to be in there. Only one of us getting dirty doesn't make any sense to me.
Can you get the blue camera out of the bag and put it on the back? Turn it on and put it on the back.
Does he know how to turn it on? You want to get want to grab them straps. I guess the chains for the back here and the straps for the front.
Jose, California. Wonder what this is. Hi, Ed. I sure appreciate how much you help Matt and the crew. Yeah. Now enjoy your commentary on the rescues. What is this? Rechargeable work light. Hey, you need that.
Oh wow.
You want to open one?
One for Ed, one for me, and one for Casey.
Oh.
How do they charge? They have a little cord with them?
Yeah, there's a cord here. Thanks, Gary. They're really nice. We'll sure use them. Won't get lost.